Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga C940. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga C940 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a faulty battery, which can happen over time as batteries wear out. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, potentially affecting other components of your device. However, with a simple battery replacement, you can restore your laptop to its full functionality. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery specifically for the Lenovo Yoga C940. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft, flat surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as they are quite small. Once the screws are out, take your plastic spudger and carefully pry open the back panel. It's important to do this gently to avoid damaging the clips holding the panel in place. Now, locate the battery. It will be a rectangular component usually situated near the center of the device. Disconnect the battery connector by gently lifting it off the motherboard. This step requires a bit of caution, as you don't want to damage any nearby components. Once disconnected, remove the screws securing the battery in place. Remember, these screws may be of different lengths, so keep track of where each one belongs. After removing the screws, gently lift the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new battery and place it into the slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it is secure. Before closing your device, double-check that all connections are firm and that there are no loose screws left inside. Carefully align the back panel and press it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure it. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to keep your device charged regularly and avoid letting the battery drain completely too often. Additionally, consider using a surge protector when charging to protect your device from power spikes. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.